2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, Off-Road Performance Tips. The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is a mid-size off-road truck designed for adventure enthusiasts and trail conquerors. With its rugged build, advanced 4x4 technology, and specialized off-road features, the ZR2 is engineered to handle rocky trails, muddy paths, and extreme terrain with confidence. To get the most out of your Colorado ZR2, understanding key upgrades, tire options, and suspension enhancements is essential for safe and capable off-road performance. One of the most important upgrades for any off-road Colorado ZR2 is tire selection. The 2026 ZR2 can accommodate all-terrain and mud-terrain tires designed for maximum traction and durability in challenging conditions. Popular choices include BF Goodrich KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, which provide excellent grip on rocks, sand, and loose dirt. Upgrading to larger, reinforced tires improves ground clearance, obstacle clearance, and overall trail readiness, while giving the truck a more aggressive appearance. Suspension enhancements are another key area for improving off-road performance. The 2026 Colorado ZR2 comes with Multimatic DSSV shocks and off-road tuned suspension, but aftermarket upgrades such as lift kits, upgraded coilovers, and sway bar disconnects can further enhance wheel articulation, ride quality, and approach/departure angles. Brands like Fox, Bilstein, and Rough Country offer durable solutions for trail-focused setups. Proper suspension upgrades allow the ZR2 to tackle rocky trails and uneven terrain more efficiently while maintaining comfort on highways. Other essential off-road modifications include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the truck's sides from scrapes and impacts, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers provide winch compatibility and added protection. Skid plates shield critical components such as the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, preventing damage during extreme trail runs. Upgrading off-road lighting with LED light bars or fog lights enhances visibility for nighttime or low-light trail navigation. Interior and utility enhancements also play a vital role in trail readiness. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and storage solutions ensure gear is secure on long off-road trips. Portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS navigation devices help drivers safely tackle unexpected challenges, making the ZR2 a well-prepared adventure vehicle. The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is not just a capable truck, it's a versatile, off-road-ready machine that thrives in mud, rocks, sand, and steep inclines. With the right off-road tires, suspension upgrades, protective gear, and utility enhancements, the ZR2 delivers confidence, performance, and excitement on every trail. Equipped properly, the Colorado ZR2 2026 provides a thrilling, reliable, and highly capable off-road experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking a rugged mid-size truck ready for any adventure.